In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily poke someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. And then right here, tap at that search icon to go to search. And then all we have to do is just search for Pogs. After that, tap right here where it says Pogs. And then it will show you the list of users who pokes you. We can poke them back by hitting at that button. Also, there are some suggested pokes. We can poke someone from here in that way. And also we can search for a user we would like to poke using search box. That's how you can easily poke someone on Facebook.